Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 28 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating Biscoff Cheesecake. For reference I used recipe by one of my favorite YouTuber, Anoushka, and the link for her video is in the description box below. If you don't already know, Anoushka is an amazing makeup artist. She is super talented and very hardworking. You would know this if you've been following her for a long time like me. So if you're new, then do check her out. If this is the first of one of my Inktober videos you have come across, then I do have 27 other videos for you. And I've added the playlist at the end of this video and in the description box below. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
I saw the light go down Baker Street. Don't know exactly where she wants to meet. The last cigarette, broken fall. The rain's gonna be really soon. Don't know where to start or when to end. I'm afraid that I might fall again. I saw someone coming towards me. That someone's gonna set me free. There she was, there she was, there she was. There she was, there she was, there she was. I hold on to this moment, I know it is late, but I have just realized you feel the same way. And you have been waiting for me all along, when my heart was made of stone, when my heart was made of stone. There she was, there she was, there she was. There she was, there she was, there she was. I hold on.